throws it. Oh! Big head kick.
But let's go to the next fight. We have a featherweight bout coming up versus for Krishna Heer versus Ajay Tomar. It's going to be a cracker, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Ajay Tomar!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have Ajay Tomar making his way into the ring, into the cage, sorry. He's got great Muay Thai, he's an excellent striker, and he's got really, really weird and wild strikes. Like, you never know what's coming at you. And he'd definitely like to keep it standing, although I would like to see his ground game tested. Yeah, oh yeah, he definitely looks ready. The guy looks like he's here to fight, like he's here to throw down.
और जैसे कि अभी आपने बताया कि ये वियतनाम में ट्रेनिंग करके आ रहा है, तो हो सकता है हमें कुछ काफी धमाकेदार, काफी मजेदार चीजें देखने को मिलेंगी आज केज में.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Krishna Heer!
और कृष्णा हीर ये दिल्ली का लड़का है और ये शुरुआत से ही एमएमए की ट्रेनिंग कर रहा है. इसने ना तो कोई एक पर्टिकुलर स्टाइल को कभी ट्रेन किया है, ना कोई उस तरह का कैंप किया है. ये डे 1 से एंड्रू एक एमएमए जिम में जा रहा है, जहां स्ट्राइकिंग भी कराते हैं, इसको ग्रैपलिंग भी कराते हैं. तो ये भी एक काफी इंटरेस्टिंग और डिफरेंट फाइटिंग स्टाइल लेके आ रहा है. आई थिंक आईमा नेशनल में गोल्ड मेडल भी जीता हुआ है एंड्रू.
He does look like he's ready. Makes his way to the octagon, and here we have the tail of the tape.
Ladies and
अभी तक
gentlemen,
की-
first we introduce the blue corner, weighing in at 65 kilograms and standing at 5 feet 8 inches tall. Hailing from Uttar Pradesh, make some noise for Ajay Tomar! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. This fighter stands at 5 feet 8 inches tall and weighed in at 65.8 kilograms. Fighting out of Delhi, make some noise for Krishna Heer!
Fighters, you know all the rules. Listen to my commands carefully. Touch gloves and go back to your corners.
Another one, Mayank. Manan, sorry. This is going to be an excellent, excellent fight. Both these guys. I must say, though, Krishna, he's got the nicest pair of eyebrows I've ever seen.
ये हमारी थर्ड और आखिरी एमेच्योर फाइट है. इसके बाद प्रो फाइट शुरू होने वाली हैं और मुझे लगता है अभी तक की जो एमेच्योर फाइट्स हुई हैं, इस फाइट में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा जरूर होएगा जो धमाकेदार होने वाला है.
Oh, yeah,
It's gonna stand out.
Yeah, it's going to definitely stand. Both these guys are bangers. Like, immediately the guy throws a leg kick. Like, these guys are really, really going at it, as you can see.
इनकी
Oh, nice right
बहुत
hand.
बढ़िया पंच मारा कृष्णा ने.
That was a nice right hand by Krishna. As you can see, he's a nice. Oh, that was a. Oh, that was a nasty shot.
और
And the referee stopped it.
रेफरी ने रोका इस फाइट को.
But
एंड्रू, मैं एक चीज आपको बताना चाहता हूँ और ऑडियंस को भी. ये फाइट गैमएफ ने सैंक्शन करी है, ग्लोबल एसोसिएशन ऑफ मिक्स्ड मार्शल आर्ट्स फेडरेशंस. सो इट इज बीइंग कंडक्टेड अंडर द रिवाइज्ड रूल्स ऑफ गैमएफ, जिसमें अगर रेफरी की स्टॉपेज होती है तो उसका कॉर्नर प्रोटेस्ट भी कर सकता है. और अगर वो प्रोटेस्ट रेफरीज डिसाइड करते हैं, रेफरीज बाहर के लोग, कुछ ऑफिशियल्स डिसाइड करते हैं कि उस प्रोटेस्ट को इंपॉर्टेंस देनी है, तो वो फाइट रीस्टार्ट भी करी जा सकती है.
yes, correct. That is a very good explanation of the rules. We're going to have to wait to see if his corner does pick the red flag or not.
रेड फ्लैग जरूर करना चाहिए बिकॉज कृष्णा मुझे बिल्कुल ठीक लग रहा है इस टाइम.
Yeah, it was what we call a flash knockdown. He got hit, he fell down, but immediately came back to his senses. So he does look okay. He does look like he's ready. I think they're going to restart the fight
Yes,
again.
फाइट रीस्टार्ट हो रही है.
Oh,
बिल्कुल.
perfect. This is what the rules are for. It's to give fighters a chance to essentially come back into the fight if they haven't been knocked
Yeah,
out.
and it also helps with safety. So
Yes,
that if the
correct.
referee, wants to stop the fight, he can stop the fight.
Yes. And here, as you can see, like both of these guys are fantastic fighters.
Wow, क्या striking है.
Pushed him back up against the cage. Oh, nice knee to the body by Tomar. Another nice knee. Krishna basically needs to recover right now. He needs to take this time, clinch, and उसको recover करना था.
बिल्कुल. तोमर की स्पीड इतनी ज़्यादा लग रही है मुझे. He's like twice as fast as Krishna.
I think it's Muay Thai based really. Like he's got good striking, Krishna, what he can do right now is put him up against the cage and maybe tire him out. Maybe have his hands, get his hands heavy, get his legs heavy, and then take him to the later rounds and then fight. Oh, nice. He's got a nice guillotine. He's looking for a guillotine. He's got one arm under the chin.
ये बहुत dangerous हो सकता है.
I think he's connected the arms. I think he's connected the arms. He needs to tighten this. And he's got a guillotine. He's got a fantastic guillotine on him. Krishna's trying to escape. He's trying to escape, but he's got a nice and tight guillotine on him.
कृष्णा पंचेस मार रहा है और ये फाइट खत्म भी हो सकती है यहाँ पे.
It could be finished. It could be finished. But Krishna's just toughing it out. What Ajay needs to do is he needs to essentially grab his own arm, use his left arm. See, he's losing the grip on his right arm. His left hand is losing the grip on his right hand.
बिल्कुल
He
मैं
needs
भी
to
वही
re-grip.
नोटिस कर रहा था कि
Yes.
इसकी ग्रिप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है.
Yes, he needs to re-grip. And Krishna's doing a fantastic job of using his right hand to fight Ajay's left hand, as you can see from the broadcast.
एंड्रू इस पोजीशन में तोमर ने गिलोटिन अटेम्प्ट किया और उसके बाद वो नीचे गया. इस पोजीशन में पॉइंट्स किसको मिलेंगे?
So right now there won't be any points. It'll come back to a neutral position. But if Krishna can stand up and land some serious punches, he'll definitely seal the round.
राइट.
To be fair, Ajay, this is not happening for Ajay. He needs to let this go and needs to start looking for other positions. It's not
बिल्कुल.
working for him. It's clearly not working for him.
बिल्कुल वो पता नहीं क्यों अभी भी उसी चीज को अटेम्प्ट करे जा रहा है और वो लग नहीं रहा है.
Exactly. As you can see, it shouldn't take this much time for you to choke somebody out using a guillotine choke. So right now, Krishna is using his right hand to essentially break the grip of Ajay.
लेकिन इस राउंड
There,
में
absolutely, he's broken the grip. As I said, it was not going to get finished because that guillotine was not tight. Oh, very sweet, but Ajay's got him in a nice triangle setup. If he can use his left hand to grab his left shin, he might get it. But right now he's just holding on. It's not a tight triangle at all, and Krishna can just get out, which he just does.
कृष्णा ने काफी अच्छा रिकवर किया है और ये पहला राउंड खत्म.
Very exciting round. Very, very exciting round.
उसको डेफिनेटली सेकंड और थर्ड
Yes.
राउंड जीतने की जरूरत है.
Oh, definitely. The one good thing I'm really noticing about Ajay is that guy's got a lot of submissions. Quite impressed by this kid.
काफी डेंजरस फाइटर है, नो डाउट अबाउट इट. इसकी स्पीड भी बहुत अच्छी है, कंडीशनिंग भी बहुत अच्छी है और
definitely.
काफी वेल राउंडेड है. स्ट्राइकिंग भी बहुत अच्छी थी. द पंचेस ही वाज थ्रोइंग दे वर वेरी डेडली. और ये दूसरा राउंड शुरू हो गया.
Yep, we're on to the second round. Nice left hand. Nice leg kick by Ajay. Oh, nice body kick by Krishna. I think it was a low blow.
और लगता है फाइट अब दोबारा स्टार्ट भी हो गई है. Here we go.
Oh, that was a nice leg kick. Again, they start grappling. Krishna's got double underhooks and he needs to look to take advantage of that. Pushes up Ajay up against the cage. And this is where I think Krishna can do a bit of damage, like maybe throw some knees to the body, knees to the legs. Tire Ajay out, in fact.
डेफिनेटली
knees.
कृष्णा को अपनी स्ट्राइकिंग पे फोकस करना चाहिए.
Oh yes, absolutely. Krishna needs to focus on the striking and needs to start winning the fight as well. Because, oh my God, that's a fantastic shot.
वाओ. और अजय के हाथ
What?
ऊपर खड़े थे. Ajay has his hands up in the I don't want any more gesture.
Yeah, I think,
Let's see the replay.
yeah, let's definitely see the replay.
Look at his hands now, Andrew.
Oh, that was a very good stoppage actually.
Look
That
at
was,
that.
Yeah, that was a I think that was a good stoppage. Oh, he dropped him completely, hit him with a nice left hand. Another shot here. I think it's a really, really good stoppage.
Yeah,
don't anybody
I
should
think the
protest.
fight's over here.
Yeah, I think the fight's over here.
कहाँ से आया ये एकदम से? कमाल.
Yeah, as I said, he really needed to win the second round.
But देखते हैं रेफरीज क्या डिसाइड करते हैं. I think the fight is over.
I think the fight is over. Yeah,
बहुत बढ़िया decision.
Basically, absolutely. I think the referees made the right decision. He was just going to get blasted from there on.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Mayank has stopped the fight in the second round in 50 seconds, declaring the winner by TKO from the red corner, Krishna here.
I was just going to say, there was no protest from the corner, there was no protest from Ajay's corner, so that was ruled a TKO. There was no restart. Fantastic win by Krishna. Losing
बहुत
the
ही
first
बढ़िया.
round, came back to win the second round. What a fantastic comeback, yeah?